Let me show you how we can use home screen widgets on Samsung Galaxy A27. So if you want to add a widget on Samsung Galaxy A27, we have two main methods that allow you to easily do so. You can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then at the bottom we can go to widgets over here. Then you will see the list of all apps that have widgets. So if you are looking for a widget from a specific app, you need to find the app over here, and then you should be able to find all widgets that are available provided by the selected app. And then you can, for example, tap on the widget to find the add button, or you can simply press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you can drag and drop it anywhere you want to. In some cases, we can also resize a widget, usually by just pressing and holding your finger on the widget. And then over here we have these thick corners, so we can use them to resize a widget. However, in some cases, resizing is limited and only certain sizes are available. This depends on the widget itself, and in some cases resizing is not possible at all, like in this case over here. Now, if you want to remove a widget, you can of course just press and hold your finger on the widget and choose to remove. Now, the second method that allows you to add a widget to the home screen is by pressing and holding your finger on the app that has a widget. So you can do this on the home screen, like this, for example, over here. And as you can see, if the app has a widget, then we have at least one widget that is available. Then we have widgets option in here. You can also do the same thing from the app drawer. So if you go to the app drawer here, you should also be able to find this option. And then if you choose widgets, then you can see only widgets provided by this selected app. So you can just drag and drop the widget anywhere you want to. And there we go, simple as that. Of course, we can change the position of the widget as well. So once you place the widget, if you change your mind and if you want to place it in a different position, you can easily do so. Besides that, we have the stacking option. So if you press and hold your finger on a widget, then over here we have create stack option. So if you go over here, you should be able to choose other widgets, or well, the next widget that should be added into the same place as the one that you currently have. Of course, we can only add widgets that can be exactly the same size as the one that you already have on the home screen. So in this case, of course, the list of apps might be slightly different. And the list of widgets might be slightly different as well. For example, over here in the case of Spotify again, as you can see, I only have this 4x2 widget because the widget that I used to create a stack is also 4x2. So you can only find 4x2 widgets or those widgets that can be resized to 4x2. And then we can just simply add the widget to the list. And there we go. Now I have two widgets in the same spot. This one is still loading, but it doesn't really matter. As you can see, we can easily swipe between those widgets. And if you press and hold your finger on that place again, we have edit stack option. Here we can, for example, remove a widget if you don't want it to be included in a stack, or you can go all the way to the right side and you can create or add another widget. So let's say this time I'm going to go for Chrome, and let's say I'm going to use this Chrome shortcuts option. And there we go. As you can see, widgets can be resized, even though this one was originally 4x1, I believe. It was resized to 4x2 to fit this space. And there we go, I can easily swipe between those widgets. This allows you to save lots of space on the home screen if you don't mind swiping between all of these widgets. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.